What does a typical day look like inside a small shop in Vietnam? Today, I'd like to show you what a day is really like in our little shop. Come spend the day with us. Hi everyone, I'm Tug. This is our little shop where my friends and I work together every day. My friend and I rent this small shop to sell fresh flowers and run our online business. These days, this is my main source of income, the job I rely on to support my family and slowly work toward paying off my bank loan. It's a small shop, only about 20 square meters, with a width of around 3 meters and a depth of about 7 meters. Even though it's small, the rent is only about $50 a month, and its location on a busy main road is perfect for attracting customers. That's why my friend and I decided to rent it. The shop has been here for many years, and it shows. The walls are worn, the paint is peeling in places, and there are plenty of things we'd love to improve. But for now, it's enough for us. Every morning, after helping my wife at her breakfast stand, I head over to our shop to begin another day of work. My friend is reviewing today's orders before we pack them up and hand them over to the delivery drivers.
Alo. Vâng, anh ơi, em ở bên shop băng dính điện mà em thấy mình đang quan tâm đến sản phẩm băng dính bên em ấy.
Some days are busier than others, and today is one of those days. We have plenty of orders waiting to be shipped, so we're getting everything packed and ready. These rolls of electrical tape are one of the products we sell online. These aren't brand new products. They're rolls of electrical tape with minor manufacturing defects that we buy in bulk. We bring them back to the shop and sort them by condition. The rolls with only small imperfections are separated, while the ones with more noticeable defects are grouped together. It's a time-consuming process, but it's an important part of our work. Selling online in Vietnam isn't easy. The competition is fierce, and every day thousands of businesses are trying to attract the same customers. We've experimented with many different products over the years, but most of them weren't successful. The cost of advertising kept increasing, while the profits kept getting smaller. Eventually, we decided to focus on selling electrical tape instead. It wasn't an overnight success, but it gave us a more stable source of income and the confidence to keep moving forward. One of the reasons we chose to sell online is because it gives us the chance to reach more customers. A small shop like ours would normally only serve people in the local area. But with online business, we can receive orders from customers all across Vietnam. From big cities to smaller provinces, our products can travel to many different places. For us, online selling has opened up opportunities that we might not have had before. Today, we received a large order from a customer in Lam Dong, a province about 1,400 kilometers away from where I live. This customer first bought a small quantity from us to test the quality of our products. After being satisfied with them, they decided to come back and place a much larger order with us. We're truly grateful to have customers like this. Orders like these mean a lot to us because they provide an important source of income for my family of 7. They help us cover our daily expenses and give me the ability to keep up with my financial responsibilities, including my monthly bank payments.
Mỗi bộ của ông anh gửi vị đau.
Every order we receive is important to us, whether it's a small order or a large one. Before sending them out, we carefully check every item and make sure everything is packed properly. For a small business like ours, every satisfied customer is a reason for us to keep going. Even though our shop is small, we still try to organize our work as efficiently as possible. Since I have a background in marketing, I take care of promoting our products, finding new customers, and supporting existing ones. My friend handles the orders, packing, and preparing shipments. Working together and dividing our responsibilities helps us save time and keep everything running smoothly. After finishing the electrical tape orders, we got busy with another part of our business, selling fresh flowers. Today turned out to be a lucky day for us. Not only did we receive a large order for electrical tape, but we also had many local customers order flowers from our shop. It seems that someone in our area has just moved into a new home, and many people ordered flowers from us to bring as gifts and congratulate the new homeowners. I'm not sure how this tradition works in your country, but in Vietnam, when a family builds or buys a new home, they often hold a housewarming celebration. They invite relatives, friends, and neighbors to come together, celebrate this important milestone, and wish the family happiness and good fortune in their new home.
Đúng rồi, video nào nó càng dị thì nó càng đấy. Cái hoa tím này mẹ vặn đéo còn được. Đã lập là phải làm mấy kênh, cả Facebook cả YouTube. Được cái nào cũng được.
Creating a beautiful flower arrangement takes patience, creativity, and a steady hand. It's definitely not as easy as it looks, and not everyone can do it well. I'm one of those people. I've tried learning several times, but my arrangements never turned out the way I hoped, and I usually ended up damaging the flowers instead. Luckily, my friends are incredibly talented at floral arranging, so they usually take care of this part of the job. As for me, I'm much more useful when it comes to delivering the flowers to our customers. So instead of making the bouquets, I leave that to the experts and stick to delivering them. Everyone has their own role, and this one suits me much better. While arranging flowers, we often chat and laugh together. Those little conversations make the work much more enjoyable and help us forget how tired we are. After all that careful work, here's the final arrangement. It's ready to be delivered to its new owner. By late afternoon, after delivering the last bouquet of the day, my friend and I like to stop by a small local cafe. We each order a cup of coffee, sit quietly, and take in the world around us. We've been coming here for quite a while. It's simple, clean, peaceful, and the coffee is affordable. After a long day of work, this little cafe has become one of our favorite places to slow down and recharge. Moments like these give me time to reflect on everything that's happened, appreciate how far we've come, and think about the future we're still working toward. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us. We hope you enjoyed this video and got a small glimpse into our daily life here in Vietnam. If you'd like to support our journey, we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to us and encourages us to keep sharing more videos. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.